Admission and confession. Bharat Singh versus Bhagirathi AI in 1996. Supreme Court held that admission of the substantive evidence of the fact admitted, and admission is duly proved by admissible irrespective of whether the party making appear as a witness or not. Hanumant Narayan versus State of MP 1975. Admission cannot be used in part. It can either be used whole or rejected as a whole. Palak Narayan Swamy versus Imperial AI 1939. Parvinder Kaur versus State of Punjab 1952. The term confession was defined in Lord Atkin. The definition given in Privy Council was approved by the Indian Supreme Court in Parvinder Kaur case. The court held that a confession must be either admit in term of offence or at any rate substantially odd fact which constitute an offence. Abdul Rashid versus State of Bihar AIR 2001. The court held that confession made by the accused is superintendent in excise under the provision of Bihar and Orissa Excise Act held that admissible because excise officer was held to be police officer within the meaning of section 25. Angun Nigasi versus State of Bihar AIR 1966. Supreme Court held that a statement that accused has committed an offence or that he has hidden an object at some place are not admissible. What is admissible is only that the portion of the statement that reveals the information about the place of hiding the object. Muhammad Inayatullah versus State of Maharashtra AIR 1976. Supreme Court held that the essential to prove that object was discovered from place of hiding. If the object is lying in the open place, there is a chance that other may know about it and will be difficult to prove that object was discovered at the instant of the information provided by the accused. Supreme Court held that section 27 is the exception of section 24 and 26. Pandurang Kalu Patel versus State of Maharashtra 2002. Supreme Court held that the section 27 is the exception to section 25 and 26. State of UP versus Divman Upadhyay AI 1960. Constitutional validity of section 27 was upheld. Nisikant Jha versus State of Bihar 1952. Supreme Court held that there is nothing wrong in rely on the part of confessional statement and rejecting the rest. When there is enough to reject the exculpatory part, the court may rely on exculpatory part. Pyare Lal versus State of Rajasthan. Supreme Court held that retracted confession may be form the basis conviction if the court is satisfied that it was true and voluntary made. Thereby, a matter of law corroboration relation is not necessary if the court is convicted about truthfulness and the voluntary nature of the confession. However, the prudence required is that retracted confession should not be acted upon without corroboration. State of Punjab versus Gurudeep Singh 1999. Extrajudicial confession was admissible in the evidence and the court is appropriate case can rely on the convict accused. State of Karnataka versus P. Ravi Kumar 2018. Extrajudicial confession is a weak piece of evidence and it cannot be basis of the conviction unless supported by other substantive evidence. Ashish Jain versus Makarand Singh 2019. Supreme Court observed that there is an evidentiary value of the voluntary confession statement made under undue pressure and compulsion of investigation officer, even where it lead to the rediscovery of material object in relation to the crime. Ram Bharose Sharma versus Mahant Ram Swarup. The statement which the nature of admission on the mixed question of fact law cannot be treated an admission under section 27 because only of the admission of the fact bind the maker and not admission of the question of law. Saruchal Vidya Ram Raju versus Namka Jay Raju where person's self-serving statements subsequently became adverse to the interest, it may be proved against him in the admission. Bhagat Singh versus Bhagirathi, AI 1996. The admission of substantive piece of evidence, fact amendment at the admission duly powered is admissible evidence. State NCLT versus Delhi, Navjot Sidhu 2005. Confession and considered highly reliable because no rational person would make the admissible against himself unless prompted by the conscience of the true and truth. Parvinder Kumar versus State of Punjab, AI 1952. Confession made either by the acceptance as whole and rejected on the whole. State of Punjab versus Gurudeep Singh 1999. Extrajudicial confession is admissible in the evidence and the court may rely on the substantive evidence and convict of the accused. Muhammad Inayatullah versus State of Maharashtra, AI 1976. Supreme Court laid down the following proposition with respect to Section 27. Whether should the discovery of fact its consequence information received to a person accused of offence, discovery of such fact must be disposed to and act to the time of receipt of the information of the accused must be custody of the police. Only so much the information is related to the fact and discovery is admissible. CIV versus VC Sukla 1998. An admission is not an evidence against other. An admission may become evidence against other only if the amount to the confession. It may be used as evidence under Section 10 and under Section 30 of the confession of the co-accused. Vishwasnath Pandey versus Divakar Prasad, AI 1974. There is a distinction between the party who is the author to the prior statement and the witness is examined and is sought to be discretory by using his prior statement. In first case, the admission of the priority is substantive evidence and fulfill the requirement of Section 21. The second case, prior statement is used to direct the credibility of the witness and does not become the substantive evidence. Jaya Seen versus State of Tamil Nadu 2009. Confession must be accepted or rejected as a whole, and the court is not competent to accept only the court is not only competent to accept only the inculpatory part while rejecting the exculpatory part, but in the situation where the exculpatory part is not inherently improbable but is contradictory to other evidence, the court can accept the inculpatory part. Balkishan versus State of Maharashtra, AIR 1981. The primary test of determining whether the officer is a police officer or not, whether the officer concerned under special act has been conferred all the power of the investigation, including the power of initiating prosecution and submitting the charge sheet. Rajkumar Kharwal versus Union of India. Important feature of police officer is that he must not only have the power to investigate but also file a report against the accused. Unless he has power to investigate and file the charge sheet, he cannot be called a police officer within the meaning of Section 25. MD Dastagiri versus State of State, AI 1960. Under Section 27, it is not necessary that when the statement was made he should be accused. The sufficient if he is an accused when such a statement is sought to be proved in the court. State of HP versus Jeet Kumar Singh. A statement under Section 27 does not become inadmissible merely because the recovery was made by a place which is open and accessible to other. Object of conceal in the place which is open and accessible to other. The crucial question is whether the object was ordinarily visible to other. If not, there is an immaterial whether the place is inaccessible to other or not. Pallukudi Kotia versus Emperor, AI 1947. Fact discovered means the place from which the other object is produced in the knowledge of the accused as to this. The information permitted to the admissible. is evidence is conferred to the position and information with distinct rate and fact discover. Khair Singh vs. State AIN 1998. Confession recorded by magistrate will be admissible in the evidence only recorded by compiling with the provision of section 164. If there is irregularity in the record of the confession, which is admissible only if there is irregularity and curable under section 463 of CRPC.